Hello student, in this video I am going to explain you lesson number 5, communication. First, it's very important to know the meaning of communication. Communication means exchanging of information by speaking, writing or using some other medium. Means exchange of ideas by any means is known as communication. See, communication is the process by which you convey your ideas, thoughts and emotions to another. Communication was not always as simple and swift as it is now. Mobile phones, televisions and newspapers, which have now become a part of our daily life, were not always in use. It has taken many years for such advanced means of communication to develop. In order to understand this, let us trace the development of communication from the olden days till the present. Today, mobile phones, newspapers, television have become a need of our daily life. But earlier, it was not so. Earlier, to communicate from one place to another or to send a message from one place to another was very difficult. Let's see how means of communication developed from the olden days till now. Your next topic is origin of communication. People in the earlier times communicated with gestures. Gradually, these were replaced by oral communication. Earlier, human beings also communicated by drawing pictures on cave walls. Such paintings can be seen in various caves across India, France, and Spain. Whether these represented a story or a ritual is difficult to understand. Over time, they developed a system of drawing shapes to talk to each other. People in the olden days communicated with gestures. Gradually, they learned oral communication. Some people draw pictures on the walls of the caves in the form of story to give a message. Such type of caves can be can be found in France and Spain. Your next topic is evolution of writing, means how writing developed. The early Mesopotamian civilization is believed to be the birthplace of the first writing system. Clay tablets with designs have been found in the excavation sites belonging to this period. There has been evidence that these were used for counting animals or quantity of grains. It is believed that first writing was invented by Mesopotamians. They used clay tablets with designs and they were used for counting animals or to measure quantity of grains. These clay tablets later evolved into pictures or inscriptions. According to experts, writing was developed as means of long distance communication, means they developed writing to communicate long distances for trade purposes. Later, Egyptians developed a script that is known today as hieroglyphics. This was a picture based script. Sumerians were the next to develop a script. This was the cuneiform script and it had symbols shaped like wedges which were drawn on clay tablets. After Mesopotamians, Egyptians developed a script that is known today hieroglyphics. This was a picture based script. In this hieroglyphic script, they used pictures to convey message. Afterwards, Sumerians developed a script. This was the cuneiform, means the script which was developed by Sumerians known as cuneiform. and Egyptian script known as hieroglyphics. Your next topic is communication in the past. Smoke signals, one of the oldest means of communication, were used to signal danger or transmit news. Smoke signals are still used in parts of the world where means of communication have not developed. The drawbacks of smoke signals was that they could not reach people who lived farther off as they could not see them. Also, with this, they could only alert people but not communicate the message. Hence, it became imperative to devise means to communicate in a different way. Earlier, people used smoke signals to convey message. It is also used today in different parts of the world where means of communication have not developed. But smoke signals cannot be used for the people who lived in farther places as they could not see them. And with the help of smoke signals, they could only alert people, but they were not able to convey any message with the smoke signal. So they searched other things to communicate, and this way, different means of communication developed. Listen the video carefully and revise the lesson. Rest of the things I will give you in next video. Thank you.